Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Colors name: chocolate color, brown color, pink color, green color, dark green color, yellow color, red color, grey color. So let's start. Orange color. 1. Number 1. Purple color. 2. Number 2. Blue color. 3. Number 3. Green color. 4. Number 4. Orange color. 5. Number 5. Purple color. 6. Number 6. Blue color. 7. Number 7. Green color. 8. Number 8. Orange color. 9. Number 9. Purple color. 10. Number 10. Blue color. 11. Number 11. Green color. 12. Number 12. Orange color. 13. Number 13. Purple color. 14. Number 14. Blue color. 15. Number 15. Green color. 16. Number 16. Orange color. 17. Number 17. Purple color. 18. Number 18. Blue color. 19. Number 19. Green color. 20. Number 20. So kids, what we learned today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.